Today I will show you how to earn money from Snapchat. So let's begin the video. To begin with, open your Snapchat app. Once I logged into my Snapchat account, here I will click on the profile option. To earn money from Snapchat, you have to make your profile public. And to make your profile public, you have to scroll down and go to the option create public profile. This is the first and most basic step. After that, once you have created your public profile, now I will scroll to the top. And once I scroll to the top, here I will see the option add to my story. Now you have to regularly post videos to Spotlight. To earn money from Snapchat, your videos must have at least 70,000 views in last 24 hours. Once you hit the criteria, you will be able to get paid by Snapchat. But if any of your video doesn't get 70,000 views in last 24 hours, you will not be able to get paid for that video. Now many people ask what they have to post on Snapchat. You can post any videos, but these must be original and not copy paste. Remember, if your content is not original, you will not be able to get paid. Mostly people ask how often they have to post videos on Snapchat. Generally speaking, you have to post regular videos. If you don't post regular videos, then you will not be able to get higher rank, or Snapchat will not recognize your account as authentic. Now, if you are wondering how many videos each day you have to post, so for this I will recommend you have to post at least 3 videos a day. And for videos length, it should be of maximum 60 seconds and minimum 30 seconds. So these were the few basic things you have to keep in mind if you want to earn money from Snapchat. So that's how you can earn money from Snapchat.